Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change input names on your TELEFUNKEN J501 TV. First of all, you have to press home button to access the home screen, navigate down to settings and select system in here. Then in system we have to go to sources, select your external source, for example HDMI 1 or 2. And after that select edit name in options and enter the new name for your HDMI. So first of all we have to erase the original one and we have to rename it into whatever we want to connect to this port. So let it be PS5, misclick for example, and then just click OK to save the new name for your input. And that's how you rename inputs on this TV. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.